Hi everybody, today we're going to install the truss mount bracket. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this original mounting bracket off. This came with the unit in the box. We're going to take this off first. Just need a simple wrench. Get this off. I'm going to hold on to these washers. Not going to use that at all. Now we're going to take our truss mount bracket, line it up over the hole. Won't be able to go up to the ceiling to put it on either. Put our washer on. Tighten that up, not too tight. And there we go. Now our truss bracket is assembled. Okay, next step is we're going to attach this little coupling to the end of our pole. So we're going to loosen the pole, pull it out a little bit. Want to make sure the screw is engaging with the pole and not with this hole. So the screw is going to attach right here. Slide it on. Simply cinch that up nice and tight. Okay, now we're ready to assemble the truss mount to the actual truss channel. So you can see we've got a T-bracket here, we've got a threaded part. This is the pole itself. We're basically going to slip this little T-bracket right through the two channels of the truss. And these lips are going to grab the truss. We're going to rotate it. We're going to cinch this down right onto here and tighten it right up against the truss. Now it's tightening up right up against that truss. And then that's all set. Now we're going to set our pole height by just tightening that up at the right height. You want to measure that off the ground. Make sure that that's exactly the height that you want. Okay, now we're going to set the dome height. Loosen our pole stop. Tighten that back up again. You want to measure this off the ground. Generally speaking, the dome wants to be about 12 feet off the ground, and all we do is thread that dome right on to that coupling. Make sure it's tight, give it a quarter turn, and you're all set.